Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start with a new lesson, lesson 14. Lesson 14 talks about stock exchange. Stock exchange is a global network in an international market. Through exchanging our stock or buying our stock, exchanging, buying and selling our stock, we will get a network in an international market. So let's go, we'll go and see and learn from where are the stock exchange located all over the world. Stock exchange or shares or unit of ownership in a company. एक कंपनी का एक यूनिट था और एक शेयर है stock exchange. So I am going to explain what is stock exchange and what is stock. Then you will understand this chapter very well. Stock exchange is a joint global network of international market. So while we are doing stock exchange, we will get a global network in an international market. Because the international companies, they sell their stock in the stock exchange market. So the shareholders buy their shares and sell their shares in the stock exchange market. Stock means a company think that I'm going to simplify that thing and I will explain with your idea. Think that you are running a company. That company asset is 1,000 rupees. So I have draw a small picture. This is a company. This company has 1,000 rupees asset. So the company want to sell their stock in the stock exchange market. So they get more money and they can run the company. So they divide their stock, 1,000 stock, into 10 pieces or into 100 pieces, whatever thing. They divide into 100 pieces. The company sell 90 pieces to shareholders. So when the company sell their stock in the stock market, I as a shareholder think that I am a shareholder or you are a shareholder. You want to buy a share you want to buy a stock from the company, from the reputed company. It may be Nokia or it may be Samsung or it may be HCL, whatever company. There are thousand companies in the world. So you can buy a share or you can buy a stock from that company with paying the money, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 1,000 rupees, whatever. According to the company's rate according to the value of the company, the rate also will increase. So you bought a stock from a reputed company and you have the stock with you. It is your responsibility. If you want to keep the stock for 1 year, you can keep it. Or if you want to sell the stock again you can sell this stock in a stock market. That is your will, your wish. If you want to sell, you can sell it. So that is selling and buying in the stock exchange or stock market. So you buy some amount and you can buy that stock. If you keep for 1 year, after 1 year the company will decide their profit to share their profit to the stockholder. So they share their profit after 1 year. If you are the shareholder of the company, you will also get the profit of that company. So in the other side, if they lose, if they don't gain any profit in the company, if the company goes on loss, your money also will lose. You will not get any money. You bought a share, you bought a stock from the company, that will be lost. You will not get money. So you should very careful in the online every day. We can see how the company's rate is going on. Is the share is going up or the stock is going up or the stock is going down? If the stock is going up, you can keep the stock with you. If the stock is going down, you can sell immediately the stock in the market. That is your wish. So you have to very careful and you have to very tricky, very wise to keep this stock. There are two types of stock. One is dividend stock, and another is trading stock. Dividend stock is you will get profit after 1 year. Trading stock is the shareholders should again redeposit their stock or redeposit their money in the same company for another year. So they have to continue their stock. Only they can get the profit. They can again reinvest their stock in that or in that same company. That is called trading. So these are the basic thing what is stock exchange. There are many stock exchange offices or many stock exchange markets in all over the world. So that's where are this market place located? That was mentioned here. The second line, if we start, the most stock exchange has specific location, the trade or competed. For the stock of the company to be trading of these exchanges, there are many locations of the trade for this exchanging, stock exchanging things. Means there are many locations. कई जगह है उधर stock exchange market है. उसके बाद we have listed some market here. See and find out the things. Location at 11 Wall Street, which is the world's large stock exchange by market capitalization of its listed companies. कोई listed company का सबसे बड़ी वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट स्टॉक एक्सचेंज है 11 वॉल स्ट्रीट में. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज? न्यूयॉर्क स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. द फर्स्ट वन इज न्यूयॉर्क स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. सेकेंड वन इज द स्ट्रेट इंडेक्स इज ए स्टॉक मार्केट. That is the name of the company. Okay, this is the name of the company. That's the static index. Is the stock market index of which South East Asian Stock Exchange. ये South East Stock Exchange है. South East में कौन सा Stock Exchange आता है? East में Singapore. The answer is Singapore. Third one, the Nikkei 225 and the topic are the two main indices of which stock exchange? It is the world third largest stock exchange. दुनिया में तीसरा वर्ल्ड थर्ड लार्जेस्ट स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. सो थर्ड वन इज आंसर इज टोक्यो स्टॉक एक्सचेंज मार्केट इज द world largest stock exchange market. Okay, in which city in Belgium will you find the oldest stock exchange in the world, established in 1460 में? 1460 में कौन सा सिटी में, बेल्जियम में कौन सा सिटी में ये वर्ल्ड ओल्डेस्ट स्टॉक एक्सचेंज कंपनी है? एंड ANT and VERP, एंटवर्प. सो एंटवर्प इज एन ओल्डेस्ट स्टॉक एक्सचेंज कंपनी मार्केट है. फिफ्थ वन, बाय व्हाट नेम डू वी बेटर नो द सेंसिटिव इंडेक्स ऑफ द बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज? बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज को कौन सा नेम में हमको जानता है? यू ऑलवेज सी in the TV, in the news, after news they will show the census. That is called Bombay Stock Exchange. Census is called Bombay Stock Exchange. Sixth one, founded in the 1971 by the National Association of Security Dealers and situated in New York, which is the oldest, second largest stock exchange. It is also the first totally इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. ये था सबसे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पहले वाला इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टॉक एक्सचेंज है, वो सेकेंड ओल्डेस्ट है न्यूयॉर्क में. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज? NASDAQ, NASDAQ. which is India's largest स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. इंडिया में सबसे लार्जेस्ट स्टॉक एक्सचेंज कौन सा है? नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज इज एन India's largest stock exchange.